We cannot neglect the importance of large language models to perform our day-to-day tasks because they help us to provide multiple ideas. For this purpose, Cloud is leading the market. And in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough that how you can use Claude to create presentations, solve the basic problems we are facing to develop the document presentations and to chat with any kind of interface. And there are so many integrations are available in this tool which help you to connect any tool which you are using and to improve the efficiency of that tool also. For detailed walkthrough, stay tuned and you can access the tool in free from the link available in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for stay updated about these kind of research hacks. I'm Dr. Rizwana, founder of Scientific Pakistan, and I'm focusing on to improve your research efficiency and professionalism by using AI tools and modern techniques in research, right? You can access all the previous videos which have been seen by millions of people by accessing them through my AI in research playlist. Now, let's have a look at how you can use Claude for your day-to-day task as a person in academia. You can access the Claude from the link available in description, and when you click on plus, you can go to the user style and can select the style to make your research document more concise, normal, learning-based, explanatory, formal. I select on explanatory. Then I went to the projects. When you look at the left side, see some major features which you can use according to the need of the document you're working on. You can use it's a search feature, chat feature. I am going to select on the projects and I develop a project. You can press on a new project and you can add the project name and what you want to create in that project. So this is the literature review, for example, and a tool is asking me to add PDFs, documents or other text to reference to this project. So I'm going to click on plus and will upload from my device. And I will upload all these research papers. I will press on the instructions and think step by step and show reasoning for complex problems, use specific examples, break down large tasks. And so this is the process which I can use to write from those specific papers. I ask, for example, Claude to write a 2,500 words literature review for the research proposal of my master research from and then I will give the save command over here. Claude will perform all the tasks by following a step-by-step approach. We'll extract the information from the uploaded file, we'll arrange them in the form of a summary, and we'll design a well-structured document. Even you can ask the tool to give you the resultant document either in the form of a PDF, PPT, or a Microsoft Word or Word file, anyone which you want. So as you can see, it's extracting the information from the papers. First, it fixed the problems, come up with the solution, and now it's working on writing of a literature review. So this is a very comprehensive literature review document which have been prepared by Claude AI, and I also got a MS Word file of this, which I can get by clicking on the download button. I'm going to save its PDF file, and this is the final version of the literature review document. As you can see, all the information came with references from the uploaded papers. And this is the introduction, structural diversity. It prepared the outline. Then it bring all the information in the form of a story with in-text citations along with the list of references. So you can use this document as a reference and as an initial document to write any kind of a research document. And this is as good as you get with the help of a paid AI tool. Then I feed the tool create the PowerPoint presentation for this, and tool is working on it and is going to prepare 12 slide presentations with varied layout, a professional chemistry inspired palette and rich visual structure. So it will gather all the information from the uploaded papers and will definitely redesign the images and structures. And if I want to add some specific images and designs, I just have to upload that slide or that specific image over here and have to instruct the tool that add this specific visual in the PowerPoint, and it will definitely give me the revised version of the PowerPoint by adding that specific details. So I can use this chat feature to make any kind of a changes. And if even I can even ask, give me the clickable links of all these references, and then I will get the clickable references with DOI of all these papers too. So when you create a project, all of your information will stay in that project and you can access that specific document from those projects instead of going in chat section and searching it from a cluster of commands which you have performed in the chat section. So creating a project is a good option. It allows you to add the desired documents and to save all the information at one place. This is the presentation of a specific one research paper which have been synthesized by Claude, and this is highly professional and can be used for any kind of a research presentation. As you can see, it have integrated all the research results in the form of graphs, tables, and very interactive visuals. In the same way, you can understand very complex chemical reactions or concepts in the form of a very creative visuals just by feeding the tool. And here are the different options about the chemical reaction of carbon with oxygen. And in the same way, as you can see here, I have performed multiple tasks by using different features of Claude AI, and I have designed a professional presentation. Then I uploaded the paper, the same paper which I show you, and I asked to prepare the presentation. Then I asked the tool to add this image in that specific presentation. And then I got this result in which I have all the results which have been mentioned in that specific paper in the form of a very interactive visuals. And not only this, you can use multiple features here. You can do chat. You can find the jobs. You can synthesize any kind of a Word document. You can develop the codes and anything which you want to do by using Claude. And it is offering you multiple integrations which you can perform just by clicking on it and to click on the connectors. As I'm using Consensus, Gamma, and ZipRecruiter, when you plus on add connectors, you can see that there are hundreds of tools available. You can connect Canva, Figma, Microsoft Word, Slack, ZipRecruiter, which help you to find the jobs, and many long list of very high performing AI tools which you can integrate with Claude, and you can perform tasks and you can chat with that specific document. You can use that specific tool by giving a command of your choice by using Claude chat feature, which that tool interface most of the cases doesn't allow you. As you can see, there is a list of long connectors and you just have to click on it and you have to press connect, and in this way you can use that tool by using the interface of Claude AI. I have recently uploaded a video in which I have told you that how you can use Consensus and develop a high-performing, highly professional research document within text and out-text citations by using Claude and Consensus. The link of that video is available in description. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. And for these kind of further updates, don't forget to press the subscribe button. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.